Good morning, students. Now we are going to see lesson 1 chemical calculation, basic concept of chemistry and chemical calculation, part 5. Last class we have seen gram equivalent mass. The gram equivalent mass is what? It is nothing else, the number of defined as the mass of an element that combines or displaces 1.008 grams of hydrogen, 8 grams of oxygen and 35.5 grams of chlorine. Isn't it? So we are seeing one more example. Zinc H2SO4. Zinc replaces 1 mole of hydrogen. It requires such much amount. Likewise, we are going to take equivalent mass of acids. So in that acids, we are going to see one more term is basicity. The basicity is what actually? Number of moles of ionizable or replaceable H plus ions present in 1 mole of the acid. Acid, if you are saying it should have H plus ions. How many H plus ions can be replaced in acids? That is said to be a basicity. Example, suppose we can say molar mass of the acid divided by basicity of the acid. Molar mass of the acid divided by basicity of the acid. For example, sulfuric acid H2SO4 basicity is equal to 2 equal per mole. How I writing 2? So molar mass of H2SO4 first we have to calculate. So molar mass how much? H2SO4. So H2SO4 if I see H2 is here, so 2 into 1 plus, and sulfur is here, only 1 sulfur, so 1 into 32 plus, again here 4 oxygen, so 4 into 16, isn't it? If you added everything, we can get 98 gram per mole, right? So gram equivalent mass of sulfuric acid. How much here? So 98 divided by, why I am writing 2 here? Because of the replaceable hydrogen present here only 2. H2SO4, 2 hydrogen is present here. The 2 hydrogen can be replaced. That is why the molar mass, the equivalent mass of sulfuric acid divided by 2. So we can get 49 gram per equivalent. That is what? Basicity of the acid. So what is meant by basicity? The basicity is nothing else, number of moles of ionizable or replaceable H plus ions present in 1 mole of the acid. For the one same, we are going to see one more thing, equivalent mass of bases. In bases, we are going to see acidity. In acid, we are going to see basicity. In bases, we are going to see acidity. So, the same thing. Acidity is what? Number of moles of ionizable or replaceable OH minus ions present in 1 mole of the base. The same formula is equal to the molar mass of the base divided by acidity of the base. Base want to calculate, equivalent mass of base want to calculate means we are going to calculate acidity. So acidity of the base. So for this we are going to take example KOH. It is what actually? Potassium hydroxide. So potassium hydroxide. So see here OH. How much OH is present? How much OH replaces here? Only 1 OH. So 1 gram per mole. So this is molecular formula. So KOH, the molar mass of KOH will be equal to 1, potassium 1, so total mass number 39 plus oxygen 1, so 1 into how much? 16, and hydrogen 1 into 1, so total it is 56 gram per mole. 56 gram per mole. Again, so gram equivalent mass of KOH is equal to, so 56 divided by the basicity is only 1 OH replaceable 1, so is equal to 56 gram per equivalent mass. This is known as bases, equivalent mass of bases. So acidity, molar mass of KOH 1 into 39 plus 1 into 16, and 1 into 1, so bases. So if you want to calculate the equivalent mass of bases, acidity want to see, the acidity is nothing else number of replaceable OH minus ion. At the same time, acidity want to calculate means here acids want to calculate, basicity want to. So equivalent mass of acids, basicity want to calculate. Equivalent mass of bases want to calculate, acidity want to calculate. So number of moles of ionizable OH minus ion. So by using this, we are going to calculate one more thing is equivalent mass of oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Before that, the number of moles of electrons gained, oxidizing agent, number of moles of gained or lost by 1 mole of the reagent during redox reaction. Redox is what? Red plus X. It is what? Reduction as well as oxidation. So reduction as well as oxidation. In redox reaction, number of moles of electron gained, that is oxidizing agent, number of or lost by 1 mole of the agent. It is equivalent mass of oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So equal to molar mass of oxidizing or reducing agent divided by number of moles of electrons gained or lost by 1 mole of the oxidizing or reducing agent. So for this, we are going to take one example. So you may know this already, potassium permanganate. What's the formula for potassium permanganate? KMnO4, right? So KMnO4. So KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. So molar mass of KMnO4 we shall calculate now. So only one potassium is present. So 1 into the mass number of potassium is how much? 39 plus manganese Mn. The Mn 1 into 55 mass number. Oxygen how much is present? O4. So plus 4 into 16. 4 into 16. So add everything, we can get 158 gram per mole. This is molar mass. So in acid medium, the permanganate, in potassium permanganate, I am taking permanganate, is reduced during oxidation. So permanganate MnO4 minus. If it is dissociate, K plus MnO4 minus. So MnO4 minus plus H, hydrogen. In acid medium means the H plus ions present, so H plus. Again 5 electrons and it releases Mn2 plus and 4H2O. Right? So N is equal to 5 equal per mole. So we have to see first of all how do we get 8H plus 5 electrons. Before that, we have to calculate the Mn4 oxidation number. Mn4, what will be the oxidation number? MnO4 minus. We don't know this means we have to consider how do we find out oxidation number for Mn. So X. We consider Mn is the X. This is minus 2 oxidation number. So see here 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 is equal to minus, simple minus 1. So X minus 1 plus 7 plus 8. So totally we may get X is equal to 7. Right? So the oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. How much? Plus 7. When the MnO4 H medium, it means acid medium, electrons, it gives Mn2 plus in water molecule. Right? This is the equation. MnO4 plus 7 oxidation number gets reduced into how much? Mn2 plus. Remaining how much electron is here? 5 electrons. So the 5 electron goes to here. 5 electrons. Right? So MnO4. At the same time you can see here how many oxygen in the left side? 4 are. So here oxygen only 1. So balance it. So totally 4. 4 hydrogen. So 4 oxygen left side. Similarly 4 oxygen in the right side. We balanced this. Right? And see the hydrogen. 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. So for that we are writing 8 hydrogen in the left side also. Understand children, how do we get this? So now the number of electrons, how much is replaces? The n is equal to 5. How much per? N is equal to 5. So 5 equivalent per mole. Now we can write gram equivalent mass of potassium permanganate is equal to, how much we find out molar mass of potassium permanganate? 158. How much electrons it is released here? 5 electron. So 5 is equal to 31.6 gram per equivalent. So the K1O4 equivalent mass is 31.6 gram per equivalent. 31. Its molar mass is how much? 158. Its gram equivalent mass is what? 31.6 gram per equivalent. Okay children, we will see next class.